YouTube, hey, how are you? Chef Dave here. In today's demonstration, got a rapid egg cooker. Got it on Amazon, real cheap. It's really neat and easy and clean to use. Let me show you how to use it. Okay guys, this is the rapid egg cooker. Gonna do a couple of poached eggs. First thing, we take the poaching tool it comes with, spray it down just a little. There we go. Get a couple of eggs going here. There's one. And there's two. Now, this measuring cup has some, like right here, I don't know if you can see it, medium, soft, hard boiled. On the other side, omelet poached. We're doing poached, so we're gonna fill it up to the poached level. And that's all. Pour it right into here. Put our poached thing on top of this. Always keep this first red thing here, whatever it's called. And that's that. Probably take a couple of minutes to cook. As soon as the water's all turned into steam and it's gone, timer will go off. We'll have some poached eggs. Okay, it's part way through. I can already see the eggs starting to cook and turn white and everything. Pretty cool. Should be done any minute. Okay, cool. I'm going to let these stay in for about 1 more minute. It even says in the instruction manuals, get it a little bit more cooked, leave it in for maybe 1 minute after the timer goes off. So that's all we're going to do. And let's take it out. It's hot, which is good. It's supposed to be. Yeah, let me grab a cloth here. And let me put that down there so you can see it. Bring it up. There it is, 2 poached eggs. Cool. Okay, YouTube, that was the video for the poached eggs. Clean, easy, really neat. If you like it, you want one of these rapid egg cookers, I'll leave the link below. I'm also going to leave a link below for the hard-boiled egg video. Again, it's really simple to use. Just a quick demonstration of how it works and how everything comes out. Hope you liked the video, and please stop back again. Thank you.